Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a polygon. So first of all, we're just going to draw a circle. We'll put it on 0, 0. Doesn't matter the size, we're just playing about with it here. So polygon, there's two different options that you can do. So when you click on it, it's going to ask you the number of sides. I'm going to stick with 6. So it's going to represent almost like a bolt. Okay. So now it's asking to specify the center. I'm going to stick with the center 0, 0. You can type it or you can do it there. So when you click on your center, it's going to give you the option to inscribe it within the circle or circumscribed about the circle. So in this case I'm going to do circumscribed about the circle. Okay, and there, bring it to the edge. Now it looks like the top elevation of a bolt. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe.